Hello, welcome to the Cookeville Sales Model. I'm Greg Watson. I've worked here with Honest Abe over 30 years. This model, which is over 20 years old, as you'll see some changes. I'm going to just take you on a tour of our sales model. This is originally the Bellewood model. 90-something% of what we do is custom design. And this being an older model, there's some changes. Like in the living room, we have what we refer to a heavy timber rafter system. If you look above, it's got the rafters exposed. Now we use Douglas fir rather than white pine. Now if you come on over this way, sort of one of the things we want somebody to see right when they come in the door is that magnificent fireplace. And so that's just catch you out right away, and your living room centered right into this. Now we walk over to what would be the master bedroom. Again, since the interior walls are non-support, we can move the walls around as we need them. On the original Bellewood plan, this right here would not be two offices. They would be a master bedroom, and then over on the other side, you would also have a master bath. Now if you go in, if we come this way, we walk into the foyer, and we have a public restroom, which is a little different than it would be on the Bellewood because we need it big enough to be wheelchair access. Now I'll just take you on upstairs. As you can see, very pretty stairway, but here we go at real good size guest bedrooms. This room is actually a 12 by 14. It has a gable dormer. You're looking over out a window and a window there. And then in between these two bedrooms, we have a real decorative bathroom. You see the very large tub, the shower, just a real well done bathroom to do in between the two bedrooms, which again are the same. This is also 12 by 14, big closets, and you can see again Miss Molly Cooper and again Douglas. Now I'll take you back downstairs. First of all, probably one of my favorite places in the house. You got the dining room, just a small dining room away from the kitchen, and then we go over here, and a lot of people would do these different. You could make this a small utility room, make this area a garage. Now we use this area as our showroom. And you can, as you walk in here, and of course that's generally where I normally sit, not a bad place to work every day, right? But it's got the different log styles. And a lot of people say, well, how do you go about choosing a log style? The best way, in my opinion, is every one of us has got in mind of our dream home. We've got some sort of picture. Just envision yourself driving up to your house, and what kind of log system that you see is really the kind you want. Now some people say, which is the best? Well, when you've got a log home, we've been doing this long enough, over 40-something years, that we can build a very good log home out of any of those systems. But I sure appreciate you taking time to do this tour at the Cookeville Sales Model, the Bellewood model. Thank you. I'd like to personally invite you to take your own personal tour sometime at the sales model. This is the Bellewood. We have a smaller model next door, which is all good, and we would love to welcome you here. One of my old sayings is I always want you to feel not jumped on, feels like you're in a sales presentation, or make you feel ignored, that we take time to answer your questions, but we would sure love for you to come by. My information is on the screen. And we'd love to have you at the Cookeville Sales Model where we could answer any questions you may have and just assist you in the way that you would like to be assisted. Thank you.